Hello children, I am Mrs. Masi and today we are going to do exercises of lesson 14, Our Earth. In this chapter we have learned about the earth, that earth is shaped like a huge ball. Huge ball means very big ball, not small, not big but very big. Huge means बहुत बड़ा. Earth is shaped like a huge ball. It has land, water and air. We have also learned about the different types of land. That flat land is called plain. जो flat सा land होता है, जो comfortable life देता है, वो plain होता है, जहाँ हम लोग रहते हैं. Land covered with sand is called desert. जो land sand से covered होता है, means बालू ही बालू हर जगह होते हैं और वो desert कहलाता है. That is very hot in the during the daytime and cold at night. So let us start the exercises. That is, first is tick the correct answer. The valley is the land between the two. You know children, valley is the lower part between the hills and mountains. As it is written in the book and we have studied that valley क्या है, वो mountains और hills दोनों के नीचे की lower part को valley कहते हैं. Hills भी हो सकता है और mountains भी हो सकता है, mountain and hills भी हो सकता है. तो options are hills, hills and deserts, rivers. So correct answer is hills, because valley is the land between the two hills or two mountains or hills and mountains. Okay. Second is the flat part of the land is called. Just now we have read here that flat land is called a plain. So flat part of the land is called desert, plain and forest. What is called? It is called plain. Flat part of the land is called plain. Then third is, which land is covered with sand? This is also we have revised just now, that the part which is covered with the sand is called desert. It is not called the forest and not called the valley also. So correct answer is desert. Now find my partner. In section A, the words are natural thing, ship of the desert, man-made thing, source of water. In option B, the pictures are given here, but I have written the names. You will not draw this picture. You will just write this name in your notebook. Okay. Camel, sea, bird and building. So first is natural thing. What is natural thing from in this children? Natural thing is bird. Bird is a natural thing. God has made the bird. So it is natural thing. You will write here number 1. Then ship of the desert. Ship of the desert is camel. You all know in the previous video also we have studied about that camel is the ship of the desert. In this chapter also we have revised. So ship of the desert is camel. Number 2. Third is man-made thing. Now sea and building, 2 are left. Which is man-made thing? Building. Of course building, because man made the buildings. Then last is source of water. It is a source of water. Sea is the last option. So it will be source of water. Okay. This way you will do. Now come to the sea. Make a smiley face for the correct statement and sad face for the incorrect statement. So first is We live on trees. Is it correct, children? We all live on trees? No. We do not live on trees. We live in our houses. So this statement is totally wrong and we will make here sad face. Okay. Second is the shape of the earth is like a ball. The shape of the earth. आपने देखा है कि हमने ग्लोब में भी दिखाया था कि कैसा था शेप. That is like a huge ball. Huge ball means बड़ा ball, but that shape is like a ball. Ball की तरह ही दिखता है. वो बर्फी की तरह नहीं दिखता है, ट्राइंगल की तरह नहीं दिखता है, वो स्क्वायर और रेक्टेंगल में नहीं दिखता है. वो कैसा दिखता है? बॉल की तरह बड़ा सा सर्कल दिखता है. तो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट. सो यू विल मेक हियर स्माइली फेस. थर्ड इज द लैंड between the two hills is called a valley. The land between the two hills is called a valley. This is also correct sentence. The land between the two hills, between the two mountains, or between the hills and mountains is called a valley. Fourth is mountains are lower than hills. Mountains are higher than the hills. They are not lower than the hills. I have explained you that hills are higher than the plains and mountains are higher than the hills. So this statement is wrong. So we will make here sad face. Okay. So children, complete the exercise A, B and C in your notebook. Till the next video, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.